Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by running Registry Explorer with elevated privileges so you can access protected hives. Load any offline Hive files immediately. Use File, Open Hive, and pick System, Software, or SAM from the target system. Once loaded, browse keys with the tree on the left. Make sure to create a restore point or export the Hive to A. Reg backup so you can revert changes. This first step ensures you have access and a safety net before you continue into targeted edits. Once the Hive is loaded, use the search function to find exact key or value names and apply filters to narrow results. Inspect value types like regsc or regedword so you know the right format to enter. Then right-click a value to modify, rename, or add a new value. If you're making multiple related edits, enable Transactions mode so you can commit all changes at once or roll them back if something looks wrong. This reduces the risk of partial edits causing problems. To finish, commit changes and save the Hive using File, Save Hive, or commit your transaction. Then export a final backup so you have a recovery point. Unload any offline Hives when done to release locks and avoid interfering with system boots, and then reboot the target if the change requires it. If something goes wrong, roll back the transaction or restore from your exported. Reg immediately. This single troubleshooting step will revert registry state and prevent persistent misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.